Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to host a parkour party in Heartopia. So in this newest update, Heartopia added a new gameplay mode that you can play together with other players that called Parkour Party. And the cool thing is you can host it at your own house. It's real easy. First just tap on the smartwatch and then just tap on the party button like this. And then next just tap on the parkour party. And then after that just choose the parkour blueprint that you already own. And once you pick the map, just tap the throw a party. But before you can customize the game permissions however you want. And then next, once you successfully throw a party, next just invite other players to join your party. And if you invite non-friends, it will cost 500 coins per invite. So make sure you have enough coins ready. And after that, just wait for players to arrive. And when everyone is ready, just start the game and begin the parkour challenge together. And all you need to do is follow the path above the obstacles and try not to fall. And the course can get really fun and chaotic with more players. And okay, that's how you can host a parkour party in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!